Welcome back. August is Black-owned Business Month, a time to celebrate entrepreneurs bringing great new products and services to all of us locally and nationally. Duke & Dame is one of those products, a salted caramel whiskey. We've got one of the founders with us this morning, Amani Macaulay. Thank you so much for making the trip out here.
Thank you, Michelle. Appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Thanks for having me.
All right, so tell us all about this.
Great. Well, Duke & Dame is an award-winning salted caramel flavored whiskey. We have won over 10 international spirit competition awards. We've been twice rated a top 3 flavored whiskey in the world by the International Whiskey Competition, and it's incredibly delicious.
Okay,
Yeah.
Wonderful. Tell us about the inspiration behind it.
You know what? My business partner, Chima Buri, one day, years ago, he was at a dinner with friends, and someone ordered a round of Fireball shots.
Oh, gosh.
And then posed the question, if you could create your own flavored whiskey, what flavor would you create? And his idea was, well, I would create something that tastes like Werther's Original, like a caramel whiskey.
Yeah.
And years later, you know, we met in New York, and I'd left my career in New York, and I was hanging out in Miami where he lives. And he said, hey, man, what are you going to do next? I have this crazy idea to make a whiskey that tastes like Werther's Original. And I'm like, okay. But then, you know, a few months later, we had kind of, you know, done a lot of research on how you make whiskey. We started prototyping in our kitchens. I'm back in New York, and our kitchens look like chemistry sets. And eventually we came up with a prototype, and we started having our friends and family try it. And the responses we were getting back was just blew us out of the water. Like, wow, this is great. You guys should make this. And so we had one of those conversations like, what do you want to do? And what do you want to do? And 2 weeks later, I moved to Florida, and we started the company, and Duke & Dame was born.
Here we are.
Yeah.
How long ago was that?
That was 5 years ago.
Wow,
Yeah.
not that long.
Not that long.
And talk about the trajectory, because you were in New York. You were a financial guy. Like, this was not. You were not a chemist. You know,
I
making
was not a
booze
chemist.
in
I mean,
your
we
kitchen.
were familiar with, you know, we drank a lot. You know.
Tried.
We were drinking buddies.
Right.
But no, I think for me, and I think for Chima too, it was really about going out and building something that was your own. And we saw that as this new adventure to kind of take together, and it's been great. It's been challenging.
Absolutely.
But it's been fun and rewarding as well.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
All right, so you're going to make us a little bit of a cocktail.
Yes.
Here.
So we still have about a month of summer left.
Yes.
So I'm going to make you one of my favorite summertime cocktails with Duke & Dame. It's a pineapple whiskey mule.
Okay.
And I love it because it's pineapple juice, lemon juice, ginger beer, and I garnish it with rosemary sprig. So you're getting the herbal from the rosemary, the spice from the ginger beer, the tropical from the pineapple, the citrus from the lemon, all playing perfectly well.
I think this is interesting to mix with a caramel. I mean, and I can't taste it, but you can. I love that you described it so well.
Yes. It's very, very delicious. We will.
But I want to smell it.
Yes. So one thing about the whiskey, we made it very aroma forward.
Yeah.
So you're getting immediately that aroma, natural aroma, flavor and aroma. We wanted to create something in the flavored whiskey space that was a whiskey first. Something higher quality, premium. So Duke & Dame is a 100% corn whiskey base, includes a 2-year aged bourbon, 100% natural, nothing artificial at all in that bottle.
Okay.
And check this out, only 1 gram of sugar per serving.
I did see that.
Yes.
That's a big deal.
And so you notice it actually smells sweeter than it tastes.
Right.
Yes.
Okay. And so this is like you could drink it straight, right?
Definitely.
Okay. You don't have to make the cocktail.
People describe it as dangerous because it drinks so easy and it's just so delicious.
Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. What a cool story you have. I love that. And I appreciate you coming to share it. So if people want to pick this up, where can they find it? How do they figure that out?
Well, here in Grand Rapids, you can find us at your local independent liquor store. You can find us at Total Wine.
Okay.
If your local store doesn't have it, guess what? Ask them for it. They will order it for you. And you can also get us online. You can go to dukeanddame.com and click on Shop Now. We actually ship to 33 states.
Okay.
So
can you find more recipes online too?
Definitely.
Okay.
Our YouTube channel has cocktail. You know, you'll see Chima making videos and making cocktails on the videos, and definitely on our website as well.
Perfect. Amani, thank you so much for being here. We
Thank
really
you.
appreciate it. Congratulations on all you've done. There you go. You want to learn more? DukeandDame.com. There are the socials for you. We'll be right back.